All right, so this morning we got Exhibit Hall D at 6 o'clock this morning from 6 to 8 for rigging, rope training. And then he's got us striking some rooms after that down here. 7:30 to 8:30 a.m. Exhibit Hall A1 will be eating breakfast. We got to inspect and make sure the Grand Ballroom ABC built-in stage has been completely struck and the floor is clean. That'll lead us through the day. Anybody got any questions?